Python plus equals versus extend inside a function on a global variable. I've read a few others so Python scope and globals don't need global, but nothing seems to explain as explicitly as I would like, and I'm having trouble mentally sifting through whether or not pdocs tells me the answer to my question. Now, understandably, but then, I thought, however, that things like plus equals implicitly call the method operators, in this case extend, but the error implies that for some reason it does not actually treat plus equals as extends. Is this consistent with how Python parsing ought to work? I would have thought that calling functions that are equivalent to method operators, they would be equivalent in all cases. Instead it seems that it treats plus equals as an actual assignment operator. Except, this isn't completely true, because if I do something, admittedly contrived, all of which is expected, if plus equals actually just calls extend. Is there some finer distinction, or very obvious point, that I'm missing that makes it clear that mylist in baz needs to be treated as a local variable, and that therefore the plus equals cannot be implicitly converted to an extend such that it recognizes a global variable?
Plus equals doesn't implicitly call extend. Firstly, it is an augmented assignment operator. If you look at the section on assignment, it says, assignment of an object to a single target is recursively defined as follows. If the target is an identifier, name, if the name does not occur in a global statement in the current code block, the name is bound to the object in the current local namespace. Otherwise, the name is bound to the object in the current global namespace. Since an augmented assignment is the combination, in a single statement, of a binary operation and an assignment statement. It plays by the same rules. As you can see, an augmented assignment evaluates the target, which, unlike normal assignment statements, cannot be an unpacking, and the expression list performs the binary operation specific to the type of assignment on the two operands, and assigns the result to the original target. The target is only evaluated once. The first call tries to evaluate mylist. This results in load_fast. Since there is no global statement, it is assumed to be a local variable. Load_fast var_new pushes a reference to the local co_varnames var_new onto the stack. It can't be found till the error is raised. If it was found, then we get to the code and place _add, which calls the method mylist._iadd_, which does the job of extend. Once this operation completes, the result will be assigned back to the variable, but we never get this far. You shouldn't really be manipulating globals anyway. Return the new result from your function or pass it as a parameter.
When you mutate the list, you should say global mylist. By mutate I mean change the reference. The first example and the third one is basically same, you just use plus equals for shorthand.
Udělal to sejmoure, která se tam žije v substrading.